So let me connect our very dynamic Ekta.
Hi
Hey
everyone.
Ekta, good morning. Love to have you here.
Good morning.
So आपने अभी कई चीजें मैनिफेस्ट करी है इन 21 डेज में. Can you share with everyone to inspire them?
Yes, sure. Last 21 days का भी मैं थोड़ा सा ऐड करूंगी in that. Okay. So firstly, it was a long thing awaited that my one of the house I wanted to rent it out. So I started writing the goal for that also, and we got without any further efforts, we got one inquiry within the society itself that
Wow.
people were looking for change of the house, and they approached, and the things got finalized. They are very
So
nice
passive
people.
income started.
Yes.
Wow, let's celebrate her passive income. Come
Thank
on,
you.
Ekta. Super awesome.
Thank you.
Now,
Yeah.
wow, everyone, this is a big thing, big achievement. So she manifested her passive income. Super awesome. Second thing.
And I look forward for many things as a mother, also my two daughters.
Wow.
So uh, I have enrolled them in the coaches, but recently they achieved many things in their life. Like they got one of my daughter. She in Khel Mahakumbh she won second rank in karate competition fight, and
Wow.
now she will be
Great, great.
representing at state level.
Okay, she's
So
now representing the state level. Wow. So manifested
yes,
success for her daughter. Come on, this is
yes.
incredible.
And
Great.
full on energy for the day, so I can nurture them in the evening also after my office hours, and not many things. That is it. Thank you so
You are
much,
super
everyone.
awesome mother. You are super awesome mother. We love you.
Thank you
Then,
so much. And for my employees, as you know, that though I aspire to be life coach, but as a full-time career right now, I'm an employee in an organization. So what I can do at my level, I'm doing and arranging meditation for my employees. Right now, I'm a director at the training institute, so I get opportunity to meet so many people, and I
wow.
ensure that at least 15 to 20 minutes I make them experience the happiness of gratitude meditation, and they
Wow.
really admire a lot. They release their emotions. They are with their kerchiefs after that half of the meditation, and they express so much gratitude. Yesterday only, when I visited one of the place, they said, "No, we have experienced this first time in our organization. This kind of thing is happening." So,
Wow. Wow. That's a best. That's the best compliment to get. We are experiencing this for the first time in this
yes, yes.
organization. Wow. So you are
At
the
times they express
trendsetter for your organization, I must say.
it's true. They express also that यहाँ पे दर्द हो रहा था वो ठीक हो गया. इतना सारा हमारे पास है और हम
Wow.
लोग बिल्कुल ऐसे जो है हेल्पलेस फील करते हैं. And I used to
Wow.
mention
Love to hear that.
organization
Love to hear that. So
and
everyone, this is very
another.
crucial ना. ये लास्ट वन तो और क्रूशियल था. इन्होंने लोगों को
Hmm.
मेडिटेशन करवाया अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. हाउ मेनी पीपल वर देयर?
Sir, every batch we have around 40 to 60 people, and I can relate more than 10 batches for now. 6 months I'm doing
So
this.
around 500 people.
I have enrolled in September month your course, and with that motivation, I'm doing this. So,
वाओ. सो आपने सितंबर में किया था डायमंड में एनरोल, करेक्ट?
yes,
यस, एवरीवन 500 लोगों को अभी तक मेडिटेशन कराया, लोगों को हील किया,
more
अपनी
than
डॉटर के
500.
लिए सक्सेस अचीव की, डॉटर के लिए सक्सेस अचीव करी एंड पैसिव इनकम स्टार्ट करी. कम ऑन, शी इज अचीवर.
Yeah.
एंड
Thank you. One more thing I would like
यस,
to add.
यस, प्लीज प्लीज.
And it was more than a year. I was thinking that with my knowledge, I want to inspire because Gujarat, the Gujarati people never go for government exams or such kind. They don't have even knowledge of how to process and prepare for that. So I wanted to conduct such kind of camps. And recently I got invitation from three of the institutes where I conducted financial literacy camp and guided them for banking preparation also.
वाओ,
So this
वाओ.
was in the 21 days one. So more than 300 girls and boys of college going like students, they got this.
That's also in 21 days challenge, this 21 days challenge.
Yeah, this
Come
was
on.
in 21 days.
Let's clap for her. Come on, Jin Achiever. Are you loving
Correct.
your diamond experience?
Yes, absolutely. I have
Thank you
become
so
more
much.
consistent. In the morning, I do this Surya Anjali for 1 month. I'm doing regularly before sunrise.
Wow,
That
super
also got
awesome. Super
So
awesome.
spiritually also, I'm just elevating myself
Wow.
and
Love to
feeling
hear
calm
that.
and happy inside.
Love to hear that. Love to hear that.